Cure.
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 Cure can be a noun, a verb or a name. As a noun, cure can mean 1. A method, device or medication that restores good health. 2. Act of healing or state of being healed, restoration to health after a disease, or to soundness after injury. 3. A solution to a problem. 4. A process of preservation, as by smoking. 5. A process of solidification or gelling. 6. A process whereby a material is caused to form permanent molecular linkages by exposure to chemicals, heat, pressure and/or weathering. 7. Care, heed, or attention. 8. Spiritual charge, care of soul, the office of a parish priest or of a curate. 9. That which is committed to the charge of a parish priest or of a curate. As a verb, cure can mean 1. To restore to health. 2. To bring a disease or its bad effects to an end. 3. To cause to be rid of a defect. 4. To prepare or alter especially by chemical or physical processing for keeping or use. 5. To bring about a cure of any kind. 6. To be undergoing a chemical or physical process for preservation or use. 7. To preserve food, typically by salting. 8. To solidify or gel. 9. To become healed. 10. To pay heed, to care, to give attention. As a name, cure can mean surname.
No cure for bacterial infections had been invented.